Not getting replies? Emails landing in spam? Your outreach might be hitting common pitfalls. Here's how to fix them. You've got a plan, but things aren't working. Low engagement, spam issues, no replies. What went wrong? Here are 4 common mistakes that can derail your campaign and how to avoid them. First, skipping the warm-up. Think of email like a marathon. You can't sprint from day one. Sending 100 emails instantly strains your domain. Instead, start with 5 to 10 per day and scale over 2 to 4 weeks. Second, ignoring replies. If you're blasting emails but getting no responses, it's a red flag. Craft emails that encourage replies, ask specific questions, and make them feel personal. Third, overloading one account. Sending 300 emails from a single inbox? Spam filters don't like that. Instead, spread the volume. Use multiple accounts, like 50 emails from 6 different ones. And finally, skipping follow-ups. Most replies don't come from the first email. 80% come from follow-ups. Space them 3 to 5 days apart, keep them short, and provide value. Avoid these pitfalls and you'll see real results. Keep it smart, strategic, and scalable. Follow this space for more sales and marketing insights.